Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Kia, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2014 Kia Forte sedan 2.0. So right now the check engine light code is for the O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 1. So bank 1 sensor 1, sensor 1 is before cat, sensor 2 is after the cat. This is the code right there, P0130. Now for the O2 connector, sits behind the valve cover right there. So for the connector, you're gonna press this yellow lock back, press it back, and then press on the tab, pull. Make sure you guys check the connector. The pin inside here is not damaged, corroded, or bent. This one looked good. Check the back, make sure the wires in the back is not ripped or broken. It looks good. For the connector, the sensor connector, just pull it straight up off of the bracket, and then take the wire off of the bracket back here. For the sensor 1 is right here. I put my O2 adapter on there already. This is sensor 2 in the back right here. So you're gonna put in your adapter, put in your ratchet. You're gonna break loose the sensor. Ratchet in. I'm gonna break it. There you go. Break loose. Just remove it. There you go. There you go. My new O2 sensor. This is the part number right here, original. This is Denso, but on here it says Kia. I'll show you the you can see it says the logo right there. It says Hyundai and Kia. Same thing to my old one too. It says Hyundai and Kia. There you go. Let me focus it. There you go. It says Hyundai, the logo, and Kia. Exact same thing. Exact same connector. There you go. Show you. Yep, exact same thing. So now I'm just gonna put it back. For the new one, make sure you guys check if there's a anti-seize on the thread. Put some if they don't have it, so that way when you remove it, it doesn't get stuck. I'm gonna put my new O2 back. There you go. Go in. Now I'm gonna tighten down my O2. So that's tight. So that's tight already, right? So just snug a little bit. There you go. That's it. Put in your O2. You're gonna put back your connector. Put the engine cover back. Show you the code before I clear it. I'll show you one more time. There you go. Bank 1, sensor 1. Sensor 1 is before cat. Sensor 2 is after cat. Sensor 1 is upstream, sensor 2 is downstream. So I'm gonna clear it. There you go, that's it. Just a easy air fuel ratio sensor replace. Turn off the car, turn it back on, and that's it. 10-15 minute job, and that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.